Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome back to the channel. So we finally got the 2022 Toyota Tundra. So Toyota Nation, welcome to the channel. We got dropped off early this morning at like 7:30. I had no advance warning it was showing up. I got a 5-minute notice, so I had no time to film a proper intro. So this right here is an intro to showcasing the 2022 Tundra. Let's go. Dude, this thing is the enormity of, dang, wow, dude, the enormity of this truck in person is, it's a massive truck in person. Jeez, my first time seeing a Tundra this close.
Really?
I haven't seen this truck in person yet. I saw one Tundra driving like down the street.
I tell you what, I'm looking at this, I don't believe how bad
This thing is
this
sick.
new engine. I'd love to see how it performs. I've been in them.
Yeah, dude, take it for a drive.
I'm not kidding you. I'm not just saying this because it's your ride. I bet I got 10 thumbs up on the way here.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. It's a good looking truck, I will say. It's my first Toyota.
Is it?
Yeah, I've never had Toyotas.
You got one of the best guys there.
He is one of the most solid sales guys I've ever dealt with in my entire life.
He was out there rubbing on it, man. I was loading the thing.
Yeah.
I said, well,
He's been non.
I'm going to touch it a few times, getting it on and off. That's all right. But I just want to look really cool when it was.
Yeah, dude, Karlos was awesome, dude. You got here really fast, man. I appreciate that too. This whole process went really, I mean, thankful to everyone involved. But you got here quick. You got here really quick. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's a good looking key.
I don't know what you even call that. That's kind of cool.
I think they call it, oh wow, that's pretty cool right there.
Yeah.
The color is bolder. I don't know what they call this right here, but that's pretty cool. I don't know. I'm not sure about
that, but it's not. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, right. I don't know either, but it's pretty cool. It's different, that's for sure.
My head starts to swell a little bit. On the way over, I got so many thumbs up.
Yeah. Oh, dude. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, that's mine back there. Yeah, hey, take it for a little drive if you want to. It's a truck I don't think people have seen too much of yet around here, especially.
They always ask me to get a picture of you and your new ride.
Well, let's do it. Let's get it.
Right there, you got a glare, right in front of the glare.
I'm still kind of not really feeling like this is my truck completely. It doesn't seem real. What do we have on the dash? We have 5 miles on this thing, dude. Brand new. Here's some switches, 2 high, 4 high, 4 low. Drive modes. Let's set this thing up. We got sport mode. What do we got? What else we got? Eco mode. Driver seat. Let's do it. Show us how to properly break in a truck with 5 miles on it. Let's go. Curious what the twin turbo V6 sounds like. So make sure you break her in properly. So they have like a 13 or 14-inch screen as an option on this thing too.
Really?
But it's like a flat screen TV. It's like sticks way up out of here, which is kind of cool. But like, I like the integration look of this. But this was a dealer allocation. I didn't build this truck, so I probably would have chose that big screen, but that looks nice too.
It's my first time in one.
It's my first time in one too.
50 feet.
It's my first time being within. Yeah, exactly.
Thank you very much.
Of course. Yeah, no, same here though. The only other one I saw was like a block away, and I was trying to catch up to it. That's the only one I've ever seen in person. Is that a wireless charging pad or anything?
Yeah.
No. Yeah, I don't know either. I have a lot of research doing this truck.
Is that what that's
I think so. I'm sure some trucks have a wireless pad option, which is why it's set up that way. Otherwise, what are they encouraging? Distracted driving by having your phone staged right there? I don't think so.
Here, look down here, sir.
Exactly. Put this thing in sport mode.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Sport mode. All right, let's get it.
75.
That's not too bad right there. And it's so quiet
and it
too.
didn't even grab the next gear down.
Yeah, it's a smooth pull. We got another Tundra. This guy is not making his green light. He's too distracted with the 2022 behind him. Let's pull up to him and just subtly flex on him a little bit. Oh, he left. He departed.
Yeah.
He couldn't handle it. It's very gentlemanlike. You know, it's quiet. It's chill, right? It's smooth. But then if you want to lay into it, the power's available, and then it's just a beast.
Thank you. Thank you for everything.
Pleasure meeting you, Rod.
Pleasure meeting you.
I'll see you soon. I'm coming to Prescott and we're hanging out.
All right.
Next time you see it, it's gonna look a little bit different though. So.
Looking forward to it.
Turn it up.
Just like that, little do they know, we just filmed the intro to this video. But you guys remember Ashley? Where are you going? Come say hi, the viewers missed you. You guys remember Ashley? It's my sister right here. But yes, 2022 Tundra SR5 4x4. Dude, with the TRD wheels all blacked out, this thing is sick. I mean, dude, look at this thing. This thing has some serious road presence. What do you think, Ash? I think it's a good looking truck. A lot of
little few touches that my brother is talented of.
Oh yeah, we got some plans. So far I have my 35-inch tires for it. I just ordered wheels for it today, and the wrap shows up sometime next week, so I'm getting it wrapped as well. And then obviously getting some window tint done too. It's got a lot of stuff we need to do to it. A lot of trucks, if you ask me at least, they require a couple of things. You know what I mean? Like throw window tint on them at least, or a leveling kit, or just do something to them. But this thing out the gate looks really, really good, especially with like the blacked out TRD wheels. So I have the 20-inch TRD wheels, looking good, wrapped in the Falcon Wild Peaks too. Came factory with bed liner too, which is pretty cool, straight from the actual factory, not the dealership, but the factory. So that's pretty cool right there. I know some Tundras have the button right here, which is kind of cool, but I didn't get that feature. I didn't get a chance to actually build the truck myself. It was a dealer allocation that I copped from a dealership in Arizona, who deserves a massive, massive shout out. We'll get to all their information momentarily, because they were nothing but beyond helpful. That made this entire process go flawless, because I bought this truck totally sight unseen. I haven't even seen a Tundra up close. The closest I've seen a Tundra, the new 22s, was like way across the way, like a block down. I couldn't even see it up close and personal. So this is my first time seeing a Tundra even like this close. Wow, that is some rough bed liner right there.
Yeah.
I'm not used to that rough of a bed liner. That's kind of a grainy, I'm almost thinking that's like a rhino liner. That is crazy. Wow.
It looks sparkly though.
It's very sparkly though. All right, Ashley approves.
You know what's funny though?
What?
Guys, I'm telling you, every time Mark does a video, his car is always dirty.
Well, this time it's not my fault. This thing just came off of transit. But also circling back to the dealership and how helpful they were, they actually detailed it really good for me before it left. It's not that dirty. I mean, the pollen kind of got it today, but I mean, a couple bugs in the windshield. It showed up on a single car trailer. So I thought that was kind of cool too, because I felt like if it showed up on a semi truck, it might not be as treated as good. I don't know. I've never had a truck ship before, so wasn't too sure what to expect, but it looks like Ashley wants to show us the interior, so let's go ahead and do that. To be totally honest, I haven't really fully figured out this truck yet. I think I have like 35 miles on it right now, but yeah, here is the interior. Very good looking interior, I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't too sure what to expect in person, but it's a really, really nice interior.
It's really comfy.
And the back seat, yeah, got some room back there too. So this here is the metallic black paint, and it looks really cool too. It has like a bluish, like silver, blue, I think a little bronze in there too. So it's not just like a black, it's got metallic to it too, which is really cool. I don't have paint match mirrors or the like fender flares or the rear bumper. So once I wrap it, I'll wrap all that stuff too. So being that this truck is twin turboed, let's see if we can hear any turbo whistle. I wonder. You hear that? You can hear it whistling. It's like a little it's very subtle, but you hear it. That's hilarious. Here, I'll slow down a little bit and then yeah, you just hear it. That's so funny. Man, I can already tell this is gonna be one of my favorite builds so far, dude. The Toyota aftermarket scene is absolutely massive. So there's gonna be a lot of stuff hitting the aftermarket soon, but check this out, dude. They gave me a free TRD hat with the purchase of my truck, dude. So huge shout out to Karlos Noriega, dude. Karlos has been the man the entire process, sending me countless, what are you doing? Countless videos, countless photos, just so kind to me. Everyone, the whole team, sales manager, every person I've dealt with over here at Findlay Toyota of Prescott. There's our contact information right there. Definitely work with Karlos, dude. He is hands down the greatest guy I've ever dealt with in the process of a car transaction. So all good stuff. And check the hat out, dude. Look at the merch, dude. Can't promise all you guys getting one too, but he hooked me up with the hat, so I can't I can't not give him credit for that right there. So anyways, yeah guys, they were beyond helpful. Beyond their control, the truck didn't get to the dealership in a timely manner. There was transit delays, but he gave me an update every single day, coming in on his day off to give me another update, and he was just, when it was delayed, he was more upset than I was. So, and when the truck went onto the trailer to get delivered down to my house, he was out there just putting in work to make it look as clean as possible, and just there was so much effort put into this transaction on their behalf, which I really appreciate, because good service is it goes a long way for me. And I just got to give huge props to everybody involved in the process of making this just a smooth transaction. That right there is all we have for you guys today. As always, we hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Till then, peace out.